Say Nana. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say Dada? Eli, can you say Dada?
Say Sissy.
Whoa.
Lord, that scared me. Ian, you gotta get that stuff out of here. Come on. Can you say Sissy? Jump, 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 jump. I'm gonna take the cushions off the couch. Hey, jump, Eli, jump. Jump, jump, jump. He sees something. He's trying to go after. Woohoo! You hear them both say woohoo. Hey, Eli. Mwah. Mwah. Adrian. Adrian, blow me a kiss. Mwah. Hey, Dave. Mwah. 1, 2, 3, jump. Jump.
Hey, jump to Sissy. Jump to Sissy.
Oh no! Careful. That's weird.
Jump to Sissy. What are you doing?
That's a jump. Jump. I hear the puppy.
Jump, jump, jump. Spin,
What's the
spin,
puppy
spin,
say?
spin, 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 stop.
They don't say that anymore. They don't.
Ooh.
So you can get Eli to say something again.
Eli.
Eli.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, say Nana. Whoa. Eli, Nana.
Nana. You say Sissy. Sissy. Can you say Bubba? Bubba. Where's Bubba? There's Bubba. Where's Sissy? Where's Sissy? There's Sissy. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. Adrian, can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Oh, he saw that cord. You can't let him hang down like that. Mwah. I'm out of here. Whoa. Hope there's nothing in that. No, you don't want earrings. Those are for girls. Those are
There's
for girls.
Janie.
That looks scary.
Whoa. Whoa. Cheney, what the fuck? Now
Hey.
jump, jump, jump,
Let's see the
everybody.
jump. Let's jump.
Oh my gosh.
Good.
Break the couch. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch Eli. He is starting to
Jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Say go, sissy, go. You know what, Cheney? They did the same thing yesterday when Daddy spilled yogurt down the other side of the couch. You hear me laugh?
Hey, Bubba. Jump like this. Like this.
Jump. Hey, Cheney,
You wanna jump to me?
teeth are turned off.
She's retarded.
Feeling good, Jojo. Everybody's feeling. Jump, 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 Eli. Jump, jump, jump.
You can tell which one's the mellow one of the family.
I love you. Eli, can you say I love you?
Love you.
I love you. He really wants to go over the edge. I jump. Whoa, don't step on Bubba. Don't step on brother. You're standing on Bubba. Get off of him. Shane, go rescue him.
That's too
Go
funny.
rescue him. Give him a hug. Okay, move, Shane. Give him a hug. See if he'll do it. Tell him you're sorry. It'll make him cry more.
Give him a hug, Ade.
You give him a hug and you tell him you're sorry. Say, I'm sorry, brother. Give him a kissy. And you kiss. Oh. Oh. Say thank you.
Give him a hug. Massage his shoulders.
He's always want to hang on to his shoulders.
That's what big brothers do.
Fun.